including the securing of jet bridges, ground equipment, and any remaining aircraft, the airport said in a statement. The airport, including the main terminal, airsides, and parking garages, will be closed to all visitors at that time. It added, "Damage assessments will begin as soon as it is safe to do so." TPA will closely coordinate the reopening of the airport with its partners based on roadway safety, facility readiness, and staffing. Tropical Storm Ian to explode into Category 4 hurricane before hitting Florida, forecasters say. It's been over a century since a major storm like Hurricane Ian has struck the Tampa Bay area, which blossomed from a few 100,000 people in 1921 to more than 3 million today.